The radar snitch that outsmarts cops. Escort MAX 3 will warn you before trouble even wakes up. Ditch tickets and dodge drama, meet your new ride-or-die co-pilot, the Escort MAX 3 Laser Radar Detector. It's not just a gadget, it's a road-savvy genius that whispers sweet alerts before trouble even spots you. With premium radar range, AutoLearn AI, and false alert filtering, this slick device makes every trip smoother, smarter, and sassier. Whether you're weaving through city traps or cruising highway stretches, the MAX 3 doesn't just detect, it predicts. If you've ever wished your car could talk, this is it. Only it speaks fluent, avoid the speed trap. Why settle for basic when you can roll with top-shelf tech? The MAX 3 uses military-grade radar detection, okay, not military, but pretty dang close, to scan X, K, Ka, and laser bands like a caffeine-powered watchdog. Its OLED display, real-time shared alerts from the Drive Smarter community, and voice warnings make you feel like you're in a Bond movie, minus the explosions. It's like having a crew of road ninjas warning you miles in advance. Add Bluetooth, GPS smarts, and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto support, and you've officially upgraded to driving in the 22nd century. Spend less time explaining your ticket and more time flexing your flawless driving record. The MAX 3's AutoLearn GPS intelligence memorizes false alert zones and shuts them down automatically. It's like your radar detector got a PhD in pattern recognition. Variable speed sensitivity adjusts in real time to reduce distractions, so you only get pinged when it actually matters. That means less brake slamming, more chill cruising, and a solid chance at outwitting the occasional overeager speed trap. Cha-ching, save time and cash. Tech that pays you back with peace of mind. Built with over 50 years of US engineering expertise, Escort MAX 3 isn't your average plug-and-play device. This beast was made for people who actually care about quality. It's tough, it's sleek, and it syncs like magic with the Escort M2 dashcam to capture everything in crisp HD, just in case things get spicy on the road. Compared to generic detectors that beep like confused robots, this thing is a road oracle wrapped in sophistication. In a world full of gotchas, MAX 3 is your radar shield. Whether you're a business commuter, road trip junkie, or weekend racer, this detector levels up your driving IQ and protects your pocket. It's affordable, ridiculously effective, and refreshingly unannoying. If you love driving but hate surprises, don't just cruise, cruise with backup. Let the Escort MAX 3 be your built-in legal defense team, minus the lawyer fees. Ready to outsmart the streets? Let's roll.